Hagi juga por Conrad Sangma ulakin tuye ki bang bakin yarap kat bala ki trai muluk khamtam habaki dan ki scheme berkumjuru ki ram khnang baki brio jo kaniga thain ki nyo jing mentoy na ka jingdon ki bang ba na ka jingkan show ya ka pisa jong ki Kiwe par ki brai dan lang ban ai jingkran hangni kasngi ki kintu bi Sunil Kumar Tandon Chief General Manager Uding Manu Gupta General Manager ki SBI North East Circle baru Ajoy Kumar Singh RP Singh berkumjuru National President ko All India Federation jong ki SBI.
Itself proves the capability are same in whatever caste you have been born or whatever religion you have been born. It's immaterial. When he was talking about comparing some figures from 2004 and now, and talking about that lot of my colleagues under this category have competed with general and they have occupied the general seats as well. What does this prove? This again proves that capability is same, even better in some aspects, provided we make them available the right opportunity. And here comes the role of leaders, that we have to make it sure that our people, those who are coming, he was talking about percentage of promotions and all that. First of all, let me make it very clear that we don't discriminate. But I think there is a point he was making. And my submission is that we have to all, as a leader, whatever capacity we are, we have to groom our people irrespective of their caste, creed, and religion, so that we get the best. We are a commercial organization, and unless each and every one contributes to his capabilities, to his capacities, this organization cannot attain the pride of place among the financial sector, performance-wise.
Because the kind of vision and the goals that we have for the people of Northeast especially cannot be completed without your participation. Please remember that. We can do our part. I will do my part. You have to do your part. Entrepreneurs will do their part. It's only with teamwork and with concerted effort from all the sectors combined will we see an economic revolution. That really is what I'm looking at. I was speaking to some political leaders yesterday. I was with Honorable Prime Minister and other leaders, and I was telling them that for Northeast, especially Meghalaya and Assam to a large extent, we need one road, an 8-lane highway that goes from Guwahati, Shillong, Dauki, Chittagong. 8-lane highway, 550 or 600 kilometers. We should be able to reach Chittagong, whatever in a normal, whatever the distance that we travel in one night's time. if this road is constructed, I'll tell you, the entire dynamics of Northeast will change. We will have an accessibility to a port which will allow us to ensure that our products can reach the rest of the world within 12 hours away. And that kind of economic change is what we are working towards. I'm trying to work towards creating a parallel road that will connect West Bengal through Hilli, through Mohendraganj, along the border of Meghalaya, into Silchar. This entire parallel road to National Highway 37, this will again allow us to have a parallel economy or a parallel, trade route that will change again the face of the entire economics. And you'll be cutting short a lot of the distance that is there today. The chicken neck issue will be gone. You'll have a complete connectivity. These are the kind of infrastructural programs and ideas that we are working on. It's massive, and it's going to create a major change. But then that's just our part. Your part is there. And that is why it all has to come together. And when it comes together, my friends, I'll assure you that Northeast will be the most prosperous region in the entire country. I'm not undermining the rest of the country, but I'm just telling you that there are so many resources, there's so many activities, there's so much that we can give to the rest of the world, not just India, that if we have the right connectivity infrastructure, things will start changing.
Kitnat pipiar kong se pilan ratba banda ban ker jylla kapri khamsa usim jongi korang da chit ki blay ku klawa donna Kun đáp trên lòng email cùng klur mingi bị tên shan marway nong yalam cũng phi hạt tung in shem hae in shem Sim don buram don nam Yari uki ukong yari ong senang Pieng saki kumuri latlo Hashua omat RiKhasi kento kung klur mingi biteng shan marway nong yalam kung pi hatong in shem hae ngin shem hae Jing shai shai hang ne ha per thei Jing dum tao yer hang amal wei Ha ba pe la jing imenta Kung jing pos niu yai ruk te druma Suki ngatrang hajing thala Mati jawab siyang manway Tang shuke mau jing snagi may Kukuntule tibriw tiplay Jingim kordo wapin sepei Usiar na jing tami minta Yo ping up ha jing bakla Đuôi là để tăng khi jing sâu pa Akor buram du dam nanga Lak mustir la palang Klem ting ya ka jing qua utrang Walang katangale imayin kledyanga
Welcome to the land of the rising sun. Welcome to the land of the 7 sister states and 1 brother. Come and taste the sweetness of Northeast India. A-A-M-M-M-N-S-T Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim Tripura Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim Tripura Welcome to the land of the rising sun. Welcome to the land of the 7 sister states and 1 brother. Come and taste the sweetness of Northeast India. A-A-M-M-M-N-S-T Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim Tripura Sing with me, 1, 2, 3 Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Nagaland Sikkim Tripura